Hi guys, picked this one up in a charity shop today. £4.99. I've opened it and checked. As far as I can see, everything's in there, including the instructions. Cute sunlight. Okay, made in China. And it's got Chinese and English. So let's see how quickly we can put it together. That's our gearbox. And it talks about sensors for detecting when it's fallen over, which I think is just these bits that are going to change the gearing, change the direction the gears go. I think that's what it's all about. Tumbling robot. So, turn the gear so the leg is positioned up. This will be the legs. Okay, so hold that like that. Like that. And we've got to wiggle that under there. Like that. Bring leg carefully over hip hook and bring leg down. Push pin firmly in. Okay. Going to start dropping all these bits on the floor in a minute, aren't we? Oh, that was just the bit I wanted. Oh, we've got a couple more. I'll have to search for that one in a minute. So that is going in there. Firmly, it says. Okay. Yeah, done that. I would imagine it's going to be the same on the other side. Line the holes up as shown in picture. Okay, that's like that. That's going to go in there. Okay. We are going to have to find the one that I dropped on the floor in a minute. I think we can do this bit. So that's going to go in the bottom hole. There's the one that I dropped on the floor. That's going to go in there. All right, now we're going to get complicated. Chest. First pull through hole. That's that piece. I see. That bit there is that bit there. That's going to be down through there and on there, perhaps? Yes. Okay, there's nothing to stop that falling off again at the moment. Oh, that'll be where this bit comes in. Yeah, that'll stop it falling off. Next, and these are going to be over there. Seems a bit off center at the moment. But that's the right place. In the back. That's got to be over there. And that's, I see, there's one little hole. Right. Head is already, I see, head can open. That's the back, so he's going to be facing that way. I'm going to leave the stickers for now. I think somebody might have already done this, you know. I think somebody's assembled it, used it, and carefully taken it apart again and put it in those plastic bags. The foot button, as they call it. that's just going to push the battery away from the connection, isn't it? Basically, it's saying tie a knot in it. And then that's going to go on there. Okay. And put some batteries in. Yeah, somebody's put this together already. Because it's telling you to put those wheels in, and they're already in place. One up. Okay, we haven't got a lot happening. Oh, yes, we have. Whoa. Stop him a minute. Okay. Looks like it might be ready to run. I see. Depending on which of those 3 holes you put it in on that cam there, depends on the different sorts of movement it does. Walk mode. Wobbly funky dance mode. And somersault mode. Remove the leg sensor, that one, and add some rubber bands, and it'll do somersaults. Okay, well, we'll give it a try as it is. Hey, thanks for watching. There's plenty of videos on my main channel with more added daily, so don't forget to subscribe and enable the notifications to keep you up to date with my new releases. You can help keep my channel running by donating $1 on Patreon to buy me coffee. You can always find more information in the video description. Thanks again for watching.